Playing the guitar.
Tell them what you're doing. Tell them what you're doing.
Me?
Yeah.
I just told her.
But like, say what you're playing or whatever.
We're playing Eye of the Tiger. Well, more like she's playing Eye of the Tiger. I'm not me.
Tell them why we're here.
We're here because we're at Haley's really cute concert day. We just had our sound check and stuff. And yeah.
It makes us feel good, but we love it to hear that you're a believer in God and you're a follower of Christ. And what we do tonight is just, as we close out tonight, I'm just going to ask if you'll be standing, and if we'll just reach across the aisles.
Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir.